In this video, we are going to learn how to write this beautiful verse Kun Fayakun. If you notice, I have added some 3D effect within the calligraphy. So I'll be teaching you that as well. I already did the background of this calligraphy. The video is there on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. So yep, that's all. Let's start with the video. For calligraphy, I'll be using this angled brush. Just focus on the movement of this brush and my hand, and you will be able to write Kun Fayakun as I did. If you are new to calligraphy, I would recommend you to practice it first on any page, then start writing on the canvas. So first I'll be writing it with the white paint, and then I will cover it with the golden one. There are two main reasons why I am writing it with the white acrylic paint first. It's because when I will put golden paint on it, the golden paint will pop out to be really good. And the second main reason is if I make any mistake at this part, I can undo it. As the color is very light and since it's a beginning, so if I make any mistake, I can remove it very easily. Since now I am very much satisfied with the position of this verse Kun Fayakun, so now I am going to use a darker tone. So when I'll apply golden paint on it, it will turn out to be really good. You will see the results later. I have learned a lot of calligraphy from the page Kalam or Kagaz on YouTube. So if you are new and you are struggling with calligraphy, you can go and check out that channel. That channel is really good. They teach you each and every letter how to write it and the movement of your hands and the kalam. So yes, I have learned a lot from that and I have practiced it a lot. So now I think my calligraphy is good. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Now I am using golden paint of Bluebird. It is easily available on Daraz or on their site. I will share the link in the description box, and now I can easily fill it in. As you can see, the golden paint is turning out to be really prominent. That was the reason I did the white paint in the base. I have focused on each and every letter of this painting, so keep watching and you will notice the movement of my hand and brush, and you will also be able to write the same. Here you go. If you have noticed, I have added the 3D effect within the calligraphy, so keep watching to learn how I did that. Now I am applying the second layer of golden paint. It will make it even more prominent. After finishing the second layer, I am going to add the 3D effect within the calligraphy. For that, I am going to use this burnt umber with black, and to apply it, I'll be using the smallest liner brush. It is very easy. You have to focus on every letter from where it starts and from where it ends. And there you have to put a line and you have to blend it out. And you will automatically get that 3D effect look. This trick will add depth within the calligraphy. That will result in the 3D effect of the calligraphy. Just focus on the starting and the ending points of each letter. For example, in Kun, we have two letters, Kaf and Noon. So you have to keep in mind the starting and the ending points of Kaf and Noon, and there you will put a line and blend it out. I have kept this part of the video very much focused, so watch carefully and you will learn. And here is the Urdu signature for my calligraphy paintings. So here is the final look of my painting. Let me know in the comment section if you like it. When I posted this painting on my Instagram, it got so many likes and I got 3 orders for this painting. So I think it turned out to be really good. Do check out my other paintings on my YouTube channel and support me by subscribing to my channel. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.